Welcome. Did you know that Snapchat has a useful feature called grid lines that can help you create perfect snaps? In this tutorial, I will teach you how to enable grid lines on Snapchat. Grid lines are invisible aids that help you position objects or compositions in your snap perfectly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these steps will enable you to utilize this helpful feature and enhance your Snapchat skills. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Snapchat app. If you don't, update it. Once you've done that, open the Snapchat app. On the right side of the screen, tap on the plus sign. After that, look for the grid option and tap on the plus sign next to it to enable it. Now you can see that the grid lines are displayed. To turn off the grid lines, tap on the plus sign again on the right side of the screen, then tap on the X next to the grid option. That's it. The grid lines are now removed. Very easy and simple. If you liked this video, of course, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, see you soon.